Hello everyone, here we're going to do another Christmas arts and crafts. Today we're going to make a Christmas shaped silhouette where you get shapes of Christmas stuff like bells, trees and stars. You cut them up. You stick it with blue tack onto the paper, on a black piece of paper, works best to get the best result. And then we'll show you the next step. I'm going to show you what to do, okay? So you get a sponge. You can get this sponge or any sponge, but only one colour. So Charlie, if I'm going to use this sponge for white, you're going to use this sponge too, okay? So
I'll use the pink one.
So okay, we'll use the pink one for the yellow, for the white. Alright. So we dip it into the yellow, we'll dip it into the white.
I know.
And then we do it, and then we dip it onto the paper like this.
Why? Like that.
Then we do the same thing with the red, with the green. We'll do the same thing with the green. Do the same thing with green. And then something amazing is going to happen.
How about?
We're going to do the green first and then we'll do the yellow.
So what do we have to do?
Exactly like you did with the white. All over, because something amazing is going to happen. Alright, so we get our sponge and we dip it in. Now the final bit is, once you finish putting all your colours, now we take off the pictures. Can you take off your pictures?
Ah! What's